Hi, my name is Jack and I'm a 21-year-old sheep farmer from Limerick. Have you ever had to give medicine to your dog or cat? Now imagine doing that to hundreds of them. This is a regular task for farmers, so difficult that many of them try to avoid it. Not anymore. The Cotter crate is a lamb handling system that allows the easy, safe, quick and accurate administration of animal health products to lambs from 3 weeks of age. The innovation lies in how the lambs are safely and comfortably restrained in the crate, allowing the farmer to administer multiple treatments quickly and accurately, all while treating 400 lambs an hour, cutting your costs in half, labour in half, and reducing the number of times you are required to handle your lambs. The cost of the crate will be repaid from lower losses, lower vet bills, and higher animal performance. You will protect your social licence, and over time, your produce will attract a higher price as the market begins to pay for higher welfare, antibiotic-free lamb.